Hello everyone, I'm so excited about today's video. I'm doing a packing video because I am off to go to the Bahamas really soon, and I'm so excited. I'm going with Natalie, Greta, and Hannah, and I've never been to the Bahamas. I've heard amazing things. The pictures are just like out of this world. They've been and they're like, Viv, like the color of the ocean is amazing. We do have a rain in the forecast though, which I'm a little nervous about, but anyways, anything is better than New Jersey, bleak, gray, rainy, snowy. I don't know what is going on right now, but anyway, so I have my suitcase out, I have my packing cubes on the bed, and I have a haul from Princess Polly that I'm gonna go through and try on. I'm really excited. I just love Princess Polly, and like their entire spring new arrivals, like this time of year is where I am looking for dresses, for cute skirts. Like my favorite skirts I've ever worn that I've styled thousands of times is Princess Polly. So I'm gonna go through, give feedback, sizing, everything, and then pick what I'm gonna bring and then pack. So here we go. Before we start, thank you Princess Polly for sponsoring today's video. My code is XOXOVivian. I'm gonna write it right here and in the description box with all the sizes. Princess Polly offers free standard shipping 3 to 6 days on US orders over $50, and also Afterpay and Shop Pay. So that's all. Let's get into it. I'm really excited about these pieces. This is the first dress and I love it. I'm wearing a zero. It might be a little too tight right here for a thong, so I don't know, maybe I'll go commando, but anyways, I really like it. It's so soft. I love the detailing up here. I love the straps. I do need to tighten them because they are falling off a little, but I think it's so dainty, so pretty, and I just imagine myself like on the beach at sunset, just a little dressed up look. How pretty. I think this is definitely coming with me. I love this one, and it's coming with. I definitely see this one like at the beach. Also, I mean, the majority of it is gonna be on the beach, right? But anyways, maybe going out to breakfast and then going to the beach. You wear it as a cover up, or you could just wear it as an outfit itself. I just put some flip flops on with it, and I think it's super cute. Again, with the green, loving green. So this is definitely coming with. I do want to note real quick that this is knitted and you can see your nips through it, so just wear a layer underneath. I love this set. I feel like I'm just in really comfy cozies, and it's still really beachy at the same time. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't have pockets, but that's okay. Some sets do, some sets don't. So I envision this with my hair up just exactly like this, like maybe waking up and going to the beach, checking the beach, or just hanging out at sunset, or on one of those rainy days where we're just like all snugged up in the Airbnb reading a book, or I don't know, whatever it is. So I really like this. I'm wearing a size 2. It's like nice and boxy and really comfy. So, and then the shorts are underneath. All right, this outfit I was a little undecided on, and I think I really like it. I'm not sure if I don't know, maybe like a little tuck in here. I really like the shorts. I know that I mentioned before that I love Princess Polly skirts. Another item of theirs that I love are their denim shorts. I have had such good luck with them. I always read reviews. I think I sized up in these. I'll write all the sizes down below in the description box, but I really like this. The flowy shirt is such a pretty one. It also comes in a black, and I love the ties on it. And then I think with the headband, it just brings that kind of like islandy, bright colored, fun, summery, flowy, go with the flow, put on flip-flops, put on sandals, and just, you know, like out you go. So this is definitely like a really chill lunch if we're getting dressed up for lunch, or even going to the beach with, you know, morning, sunset, just really pretty. So I think I'm gonna pack both and maybe or may not pair them together. We have a bikini, people, and it is so cute. I'm obsessed. The bright colors, it's cheeky. And yeah, I really like it. This is what it looks like up close. Super pretty, very nice, soft texture, and I really like it. So I'm going to bring this, and I have this cover up, which let's try on and see what that looks like. Okay, see, that's what I'm talking about. All right, what do we think? Oh, this one has pockets. Okay, we love pockets. That is so cute. Just looks like a dress or whatever, and then we can put the headband on with it and make it like a, you know, just casual beachy look. Bring the book and we're good for the beach. I love that. Okay, I'm bringing these two 100%, and yeah, the headband too, which is so cute. Okay, so this is, I love overalls. I'm like obsessive about overalls, so I thought these were so cute, and I love the darker denim wash. I think that it really pops, you know, in really like tropical climates. So I have this, I have the bathing suit underneath, and I could definitely see myself wearing this with sandals, flip-flops, and just going off to the beach or grabbing coffee in the morning and then to the beach. Yeah, I really like it, and it fits really well. So there we go. Now that we have everything, oh, also this sweatshirt and this top are from Princess Polly, so there we go, more. And these shoes, I forgot to try on these shoes. Look at how cute. I'm packing these because if we do like a little, you know, night out, I thought these were really cute, even though we're at the beach, whatever. And this phone case, how cute. Everything is green, 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 green. Okay, so usually after I'm done like picking out the clothes, I grab my packing cubes, I roll it all up, I stick all the clothes in the packing cubes, and then I just put the packing cubes in the suitcase, and that's it. So each packing cube is like, one is for outfits, one is for pajamas, one is for undies, tank tops, and socks, and then one is for activewear. So that is what I'm about to do. I'm gonna clean up this mess and then start packing the cubes. These I got from TJ Maxx, and these from Calpac. I'll link everything down below, but they're amazing. Grab a book. Actually, Jay got me a Kindle for Christmas, so I'm going to be bringing that instead of a book, and yeah. So I definitely have room, and this happens to me every time I pack. Sometimes I'm so organized that I'm like, wait, hold on, I have a lot of room, and then like last minute, an hour before I'm out the door, I'm like just shoving random things in it. So there's a very good chance that this gets filled to the brim. And recently I've been doing such a good job of organizing with my to-do list before, not my to-do list, but like, you know what I mean, the itinerary, and then organizing it that way, that I end up bringing, really my duffel bag and my carry-on are pretty empty, like really empty. So I don't know, it's just like this like security thing that I have, that I'm like, wait, hold on, I know that I'm gonna forget something or I'm gonna get something. So I actually am bringing a hat. I'm gonna go grab that and probably just put that in my carry-on by itself. So let me go do that, and then I'll bring out the duffel bag and we'll just lay everything out so that it's good to go. I still have about a day before we leave, so yeah. This is the hat. How cute is that? And they come in all different bands, so I thought it was so cute, and I'm like, oh, this is adorable. Like, I'm gonna definitely pack this. I'm gonna put this in my carry-on, and then I have my duffel bag here. This is what it looks like. I always put some clips on the side, and let me show you the inside of it, but it's really nice. It has so many pockets. This is what it looks like again. And there's a big zipper in the front. There's a shoe pouch right here, and then I always bring a little water bottle and put it in right on the side here. And on the inside, I don't know if you could see it because it's so dark, but there's a big pocket across here. There are two pockets here where I just have, like, I have a mask, I have a razor, I don't know, what do I have here? I have like electrolytes and some cleaning stuff that I just leave on the side because you never know. And then on this one, you have a little zippy here where I have blue light glasses, and I have some tampons, and I think also more receipts. But this fits so much, like it's elbow deep, and it just fits so much. So I love this. I highly recommend it if you're looking for something. Also has like a bag thing right here where you could put in your suitcase, so nothing is ever on my shoulders, which is the absolute best. You don't have to stress and carry all the weight. Hope you enjoyed this little pack with me and Princess Polly haul, and I'm so excited to go to the Bahamas. Check it out on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.